Hello everyone, this is still Naija Auto Co, and the video is to help you make bookings on God is Good Motors. To get started, you click book a bus. If you are using a phone, that should take you down to a page where you input your destination and all of that. Let's assume you are making your trip from Lagos. You're making your trip from Lagos Abuja down to Oka in Newi, Anambra State. Rather. Now you are making this trip on the 14th. Then you click book now to see if you have an available bus on that day. Let's hold on and see if the bus is available on that day. Hopefully we have a bus. Then we have a bus. There are options there. The pickup takes up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Now let's click view seats to make seat selection. Now I prefer you take the seat in up front for people that experience motion sickness. Then continue, click continue. Now if you have an account with them already, you could log in with your account details there. If you don't, you continue without logging. Now this takes you to a page where you have to input your own personal details. Now I'll use my own for ease of this video. I'll make use of my own, and we're done. Yes, I am male. Good. Your email address and all of that are essential. Okay, I input my own, make use of my own. Okay, use phone number 55. Very good. Now click pay with MasterCard. Cancel to proceed. Now this should take us to a page where we input our card details and all of that, make payments using our card. Let's hold on for that to load up. That should come up in no time. It's a secure payment platform supported by Paystack. So let's exercise a little bit more patience. Now we want to pay with card. Now input your card number. Your card number are those digits you find in front of your card. So I'll make use of mine for the ease of this video. Your CVV number are the 3 digits you find behind your card. So after that you click pay. That should send you to a page where you will be requested to input a 4-digit card PIN. 4-digit card PIN. Your card PIN, you know that already. Those are your secret numbers. Now this should send a transaction code, a one-time transaction code. Continue. We should send a one-time transaction code to your phone as an SMS. That SMS is those codes, possibly some of them 6, some of them 4, is the code you input at the next page that comes in. That code is what you input, and when you input that code, the exact same amount that trip will cost will be charged from your account. Thank you.